Welcome back, I'm Sean, and the Hecate series from Edifier definitely is one of the coolest looking earbuds in the industry, and if you're a gamer looking for that amazing gamer vibe, then I think this earbuds is definitely for you. So let's check it out. So the Hecate GX05 today was sent over to me by Edifier for a review, and this is not a sponsored post, and my review will be based on my honest and unbiased opinion. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any future tech reviews. So the GX05 here retails for a very decent $79 US or about 339 Malaysian ringgit, and honestly just for the build quality alone, I think this is a fantastic price point already. And Hecate is Edifier's gaming division, and they have been creating some super awesome looking products specifically targeting mobile gamers just like you. So if you're interested in buying one, do check out my links below. So the first thing about buying any Hecate earbud is the box that the earbuds come in, and you usually get something pretty unique. Whether it's the GX7, the GM5 or any Hecate product for that matter, you're gonna get pretty cool unboxing experience. So on the box itself, you're gonna see a couple of things that makes these earbuds fantastic for gaming, which not only includes high-res audio support but also a 2.4 GHz connection for ultra low latency gaming, and we'll talk a little bit more about that later. So the earbuds case itself that we have here is fantastic, made fully out of zinc alloy material, and this thing is actually really heavy. And from a material standpoint, there's totally no cheapo parts on this case. And the case here is heavy and weighs like a small pebble, and if you throw this at someone, I think they're really gonna feel it. So the first thing you'll notice here is that there is no indication of a traditional earbuds, and you need to investigate how to open it. Do you flip it, pull it, slide it? Well, basically what you need to do is actually turn the case clockwise, and it will expose the earbuds inside. This is the only one direction, so please don't force it the other way around. You can turn it back again to close it. So on the case itself, you're gonna get many design elements, fonts and carvings on this case that makes it look really space-age and mechanical. And at the back of the case, you're gonna get a Type-C charging port to charge up your case, and at the bottom of the case, you also get a button to put the earbuds into pairing mode. The earbuds is a basic in-ear style earbuds and has a design element similar to the One More color bud, so you can see it's in this kind of shape. And it does sit inside the ear pretty nicely. You're going to get a touch sensor surface at the front here to control the earbuds, and also an LED strip on the earbuds, and you can actually turn this on or off by tapping the earbuds 4 times. Also, there is another secret compartment on this earbuds case itself, which is the 2.4 GHz USB-C dongle right up here, so you can just have it in your box all the time. So you're also going to get one USB-A adapter, so if your laptop or computer doesn't have a Type-C port, you are still covered, and you can also plug this directly into your PC, your phone, or even your PS5, and it will connect ultra seamlessly, which is cool. And the Type-C dongle is super stable, and it's a great feature to keep your devices clean. So battery life on these earbuds is pretty normal, not the longest in my opinion, but gives you enough time to take a break from gaming in between charges. With the standard Bluetooth mode, you're going to get about 4.5 hours of battery, with 11.5 hours with the case, and with the 2.4 GHz dongle, you're going to get 4 hours and 10 hours with the case. So definitely not the longest here, but you do get a QC 2.0 Type-C charging port to very quickly charge up the earbud. So volume wise, you're going to get a comfortable listening volume at 45%, and as you push towards the 70% mark, it starts to get loud, which is a good sign. And for me, I can hover at 90% for a while, and 100% is just too loud for me. So it's the good news that this earbuds makes it through the entire range, which is critical for gamers who wants that louder, immersive experience. So if you remember all the features on the box of these earbuds, I'm really happy to say that these earbuds are pretty well spec'd to give you a full good experience. Starting with the Bluetooth capabilities, you're going to get a Bluetooth 5.3 chipset with support for LHDC codec for high-res audio wireless and SBC codec. So do check with whether your phone supports LHDC if you want to enjoy the high-res audio capabilities. So on top of that, for ultra low latency, you can also use the provided dongle that we talked about to make sure that you get the best experience for gaming. Also, just to point out, Edifier provides you with a dust plug for the hole in your case if you decide to leave your Type-C dongle living on your computer forever. You're also going to get an IP54 dust and water resistant on this earbud, so you can actually use this in pretty intense gaming situations when you're sweating or bringing it to the gym for a quick workout. So just don't soak these earbuds in the water or don't shower with it. So there is no ANC on these earbuds, and as of this filming, I don't see any support for the GX05 on the Edifier Connect app just yet. So lastly, you're getting a form of multi-point connectivity since these earbuds can connect to both the Bluetooth as well as the 2.4 GHz dongle separately at the same time, so you can actually switch between devices seamlessly, but it does take about 2 seconds when switching between devices. So you can have this plugged into your PS5 and also connected to your phone, so as you're gaming and if you have a phone call coming in, it will switch automatically. So sound signature on this is pretty exceptional, and you're gonna get a full range package with these earbuds, and especially for gaming earbuds, I think these make a fantastic sounding dynamic earbuds. So starting off with the sub bass is especially nice and deep, but instead of a messy rumble, you get a very precise hit of the sub bass rumble. It does go deep, but you can hear a clear stop to the deepness. And mid bass rumble is also really good with a good overall bass hit from those drum kicks. So mids is fantastic on these earbuds and very clear with very forward and present vocals. Highs is also my favorite here, giving you a very precise and clean treble, and you can hear hi-hats and sparkles very nicely and with a very clean finish. So overall, really good audio performance, and I must say this is only tested in the SBC codec. So this is a test to see if the Edifier Hecate GX05 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear the difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from this device. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So latency on the 2.4 GHz dongle is definitely good. With the stated 15 milliseconds of low latency capability, there's no doubt that the dongle acts almost like wired connection. But in Bluetooth low latency mode, you're getting equally good performance, which is surprising, and it's so close that the human eyes almost can't see difference in real time, which is very impressive. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So controls wise, you're going to get most of the features for media control, track skipping, RGB control, and also swapping gaming mode and music mode on this device. And the only thing missing here is volume control. So I really love these earbuds, and from the moment I unboxed it to the testing, to the seamless dongle connection and multi-point support, this is definitely a highly recommended earbuds at a super great price. So what I'll add in the next version of this is a more universal high-res audio codec like LDAC and probably ANC, and this would pretty much be a perfect gaming earbuds. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.